Lesson 8, Wi-Fi versus data. Okay, so let's say that this circle right here is Wi-Fi. In the center of the circle is my favorite restaurant, Texatec Tacos. Now, Texatec Tacos has free Wi-Fi. It's one of the reasons why they're my favorite. Their Wi-Fi range reaches all the way out to the parking lot. If you're inside Texatec Tacos or in the parking lot, you could probably get a good signal. If you're all the way at your car, though, it's not going to be a good signal. It'll be like 1 bar. But if you're right there at the register, it'll be like 3 bars, so it'll be really fast. What Wi-Fi is it means free internet. So all of your downloads and your browsing and your emails are all free, as long as you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, such as Texatec Tacos. If you're outside the Wi-Fi network, or Texatec Tacos, you're not going to get a Wi-Fi signal, because the signal doesn't reach that far. It only reaches to the parking lot. So, if you have your Wi-Fi on, but you're not connected to a Wi-Fi, what really is going on is your phone is reaching out for a signal, trying to find something that isn't there. As a result, your battery drains really fast. See, look at how angry he is. That's because he has no battery left. Also, if you're outside Texatec Tacos, like this guy, you have to use your data minutes. And if your Wi-Fi is turned on, your internet's going to run a lot slower, because not only is it trying to reach out for a signal, but it's also trying to do stuff online with your data. What your data is your service provider's internet. You know, the stuff you pay for. So try to be cautious about using your data minutes. Now, there's something called 3G and 4G. What 3G means is it's really slow internet, or the old signals. Old antennas, really. And 4G is the newest stuff they got, so the really fast signals. So your internet will run a lot faster on 4G. A lot of companies will tell you that you have unlimited internet, which is true, but you only have a certain amount of 4G internet available. Now, internet isn't measured by time. It's actually measured by something called a gig. We'll go over that in the next lesson. Right now, I just kind of want to show you a little bit on how to connect to Wi-Fi and how to disconnect to Wi-Fi. That's turning the Wi-Fi on, but you need to do much more. My phone does that automatically, but yours probably won't. If you hold down on the Wi-Fi signal like that, it'll bring you straight here into the settings, and you can choose the different Wi-Fi networks you want to connect to. There's only one open right now, and that's the Chromecast. I could connect to that pretty easy. If I wanted to connect to my neighbor's Wi-Fi, like this, I'd need to know their password, but I don't know it. So I'm going to stick with Chromecast for now. To get there again, through the settings, you can go like that, and presto, you're in the settings. If you do that, you can turn it off. Right here, you could actually limit the amount of internet that you use so that your phone tells you when you're running out. And right here, mobile data, you need that on all the time. So you can get your phone calls, your text messages, and use your internet. Airplane mode. What airplane mode does is it turns off all the signals of your phone. So it doesn't try to get anything. It stops looking for a data connection from your internet provider or your phone provider, and it stops your GPS, and it stops your Wi-Fi. It can really save you a lot of battery, especially if you don't have any service. But you can't use anything like on the internet, or you can't get your phone calls or your text messages that way either. And the final thing I want to go over here is locations. There's a few different kind of locations settings that you can use. This one is the best because it gives satellites and the Wi-Fi network your precise location. So they're better able to service you. That means you have a stronger and faster signal. This one only uses your mobile network or your Wi-Fi. And then this one only uses your phone. There's no way to actually turn off GPS completely on a phone. So I just go with this, mostly because I like really fast internet. The last thing is Bluetooth. I'll show you how to hook up to Bluetooth devices and transfer files later on in file management. That one's kind of a big lesson. Alright, thanks.